Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to add contacts in WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, open Contacts on your mobile device. Once you are in, click on the plus icon at the bottom right corner. Now enter the name in the name field. And then enter the number in the phone field of the person you want to add in your contacts. You can also add other things like email, last name, and nickname. When you are satisfied, click on the Save. Now clear your all apps. After that, open the WhatsApp. Now click on the search icon at the top. Here type the name of the person that you saved just now. Now you can see the person will appear. Now you can start chat with him. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.